Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 6, your applications of derivative. Today we are here to see the question related with the equations of tangent. Let us see these questions one by one. Our first question is find the equation of the tangent to the curve. आपका curve है y is equal to x square. Slope is given half, so you will differentiate dy upon dx is equal to 2x. Here it's given 2x is equal to half. तो यहाँ से आपका x हो जाएगा 1/4 and your y will be equal to 1/4 the whole square, that is 1/16. So you got the point. Point आपको मिल गया 1/4 and 1/16. You know what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx. किस point पे? x1 y1 पे, and here it is x minus x1. So here y minus y1 आपका क्या है 1/16 and dy by dx उस point पे दिया क्या है, that is half, and here it is x minus 1/4. So you can just simplify this. This is 16 minus 1, 16 y minus 1/16 is equal to half 4x minus 1 और ये आपका हो जाएगा 8. Okay, so you can see 8 ones are 8 twos are. So this becomes your, you can see here 2 fours are 8x minus 2 minus 16y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are here with equation that is 8x minus 16y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our equation of the tangent at point 1/4 and 1/16 with the slope half. We are moving on to the question number 2. In your question number 2, it's given find the points. हमें point निकालना है किस कर्व पे y is equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 6. Okay, let the point be x1 and y1. Let the point on the curve be x1 y1. इसको आप डिफरेंशिएट कर दीजिए तो ये dy by dx आपका आ जाएगा 6x minus 12. तो यहाँ पे आपका x1 y1 when you keep here then 6x1 minus 12 is equal to 0. Why it is equal to 0? Because it is given tangent parallel to x axis. जब भी आपका tangent जो है tangent parallel to x axis में आपका क्या होगा dy by dx will be equal to 0. तो ये हम लोगों ने equal to 0 कर दिया. यहाँ से x1 आपका कितना आ गया 2. Keep this x1 in this, you will be getting y1. y1 is equal to 3x1 square minus 12x1 plus 6. So this will be equal to 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 6. You will get that as 6. That is 12. 12 plus 6. That is 18, and here it is minus 6. So we got x1 as 2 and y1 as minus 6. Now we are supposed to find out the equation that is y plus 6. Okay, is equal to 0. Why it is 0? Because dy by dx आपका 0. From here, from this, y is equal to minus 6. This is your equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Okay. Now, moving on to the question number 3. In question number 3, it is given find the equation of the tangent to the curve. आपका x कितना दिया 1 minus cos theta. ठीक है, ये पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म में है तो आप dx upon d theta निकाल लोगे तो ये आपका कितना हो गया sin theta, राइट. और dx upon d theta पॉइंट आपको दिया गया π/4. जब आप π/4 पे करोगे तो ये आपका कितना हो जाएगा. दिस सेम थिंग कैन बी रिटन एज 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. This value we can keep later on. Okay. Similarly, we can work out for y. Y आपका कितना है theta minus sin theta. So this will be dy upon d theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and this is equal to 2 sin square theta upon 2. Find out dy by dx which is required. Dy by dx is equal to 2 sin square theta upon 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. This is equal to tan theta upon 2. अब यहाँ पे आप रख दीजिए थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4. सो दिस विल बिकम tan पाई बाई 4. जब आप रखेंगे तो ये हो गया आपका पाई अपॉन 8. राइट. नाउ लेट अस फाइंड आउट द x. आपका है 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. तो ये पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा आपका 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2. और y आपका क्या है थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा. सो दिस पॉइंट विल बी योर पाई बाई 4 minus 1 upon root 2. So you got the points in the form of numerical value. Now we'll use the format y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1 and here it will be x minus x1. So we got our point x1 and y1, that is y minus ये आपका हो जाएगा पाई बाई 4 माइनस 1 बाई रूट 2. यहाँ पे आपका हो जाएगा tan पाई अपॉन 8 एंड हियर इट विल बी x माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2. Okay, so this is how we can work out for the equation of the tangent line when the points are given in the form of a parametric, right? Now we can solve this and we can get the final answer. Now let us see the next one. The next question, question number 4. Prove that the tangents to the curve. ये आपका y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 है. tangent के लिए आप dy by dx निकाल लीजिए. ये आपका हो जाएगा 2x minus 5 at the point. Okay, so dy by dx at the point 2 0, this will be 2 into 2 minus 5. ये आपका हो जाएगा minus 1 and dy upon dx at the point 3 0 will be equal to 2 into 3 minus 5, that is 1. You can see that suppose this is your m1 and this is your m2. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we can prove that the tangent to the curve. Therefore, tangents to the curve are at right angles. Okay. Now we are moving on to the last question. You can see in the question number 5, find the equation of the tangent to the ellipse. ये आपका x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. डिफरेंशिएट कर लीजिए 2x upon a square plus 2y, okay, then it will be dy upon b square. This is dy upon dx is equal to 1. यहाँ से आप देखिए 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू ये 0 हो जाएगा. So we are here with dy upon dx is equal to minus x upon a square. ये आपका y और यहाँ पे आपका b square हो जाएगा. Okay. Now we are supposed to work out this at the point x1 y1. So ये आपका क्या हो गया x1 and this is your y1. Now let us find out the equation. ये point आपका इस कर्व पे लाई करता है, आपका हो जाएगा x1 square upon a square plus y1 square upon b square is equal to 1. Now just see here, y minus y1 is equal to minus x1 upon y1 b square a square and x minus x1. Okay. Now just take this y1 here, that is y1 y minus y1 और ये b square यहाँ ले लीजिए. ये आपका हो जाएगा माइनस x1 x माइनस x1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर. So this y1 is taken here with this b square and this is all. Now just work out. जब आप इसको वर्क आउट करेंगे तो ये आपका हो जाएगा y1y minus y1 square upon b square is equal to minus x1x plus x1 square upon a square. Right? Now take this here. This will be x1 upon a square plus y1 upon b square is equal to x1 square and this is here y1 square upon b square. Now here it is x1 upon a square plus y1 upon b square is equal to 1 because we know the value of this is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the tangent to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 at the point x1, y1. Thank you.